Welcome back to our YouTube channel, guys. My name's Ardil and today's video is all about this car, a BMW 1 Series that we've upgraded with Apple CarPlay as well as Android Auto. It's a really cool little upgrade that modernises the interior, but with us enough talking for now, I'm going to jump inside and actually show you exactly how the system works and how interactive it is and what sort of features you guys could have if you upgraded your 1 Series with this same solution with us. So join me, we'll jump inside. So what you can see here is the factory screen. It's really important that we show this part of it because basically, as you can see here, you've obviously got the radio and you've got the multimedia. The way that you get the sound through is via coming through the auxiliary port in the vehicle. So we basically take up that port and that's how the kit goes through and actually shows Apple CarPlay and Android Auto on the factory screen. For the beginning stage, I'm going to show you Android Auto. Later on, I'm going to show you Apple CarPlay. Basically, all you do is on your factory screen, you press and hold the menu button. What happens is that screen flicks over and we've got wireless Android Auto here. So completely wireless integration. So in terms of Android Auto, you've got basically all using your factory scroll wheel. You can actually go back and go through, and as you can see here, I've got Google Maps, Spotify, all my phone calls are all in one place. We've added a new microphone in, so the hands-free is really nice. You've got loads of functionality here, including Waze as well, weather, pretty much everything you could possibly want while using the system. One really cool thing is obviously the main reason why a lot of people want it is your maps, as well as what you've got here, which is Spotify. So this also works with Tidal as well, but it uses your factory controls on your steering wheel as well as your current volume knob. This system did sound pretty poor beforehand, so what we've done on the car is if you head over to the Cambridge Car Audio website, which is our partner business, we've actually got packages for BMWs in terms of sound. So Apple CarPlay quotes, contact CBS Automotive. Sound side of things, contact Cambridge Car Audio, and we've got loads of packages for BMWs on the website. This is level 2 that we've done, and there'll be a whole nother video on the Cambridge Car Audio YouTube channel. But that's a little bit of an overview of Android Auto. So now let me plug in and connect up my iPhone to show you wireless Apple CarPlay, but the first initial connection is wired. That's why we've run the USB into the glove box just for that initial connection. So now I've got my iPhone connected. Again, this is full wireless compatibility as well, but just check how this looks. Really, really interactive. If you've got everything from your phone calls, you've got settings, maps, Google Maps, Waze, TalkSport, and this is varying depending on your phone. So whatever apps that you've got are Apple CarPlay compatible, they'll then arrive and land on the screen. So some people have more, some people have less, and it's the same. So if you have Apple CarPlay on another car looking to upgrade your current car, this is basically, it will look pretty much identical to what you've got in there. Obviously same apps and stuff because Apple CarPlay is the same on pretty much every system. In terms of the actual system itself, I've got all my phone calls here. You can set favorites, you can dial out directly from here. Again, using that new microphone makes everything really crystal clear. Plus, it's all using the factory controls as well. So there's nothing on display as such. You've got Siri activation as well, which is quite nice. So you can pretty much make everything that you could possibly need, phone calls, music, maps, everything you need all in one place, all via your factory controls. So it's literally like it came out of the factory with it. So this system had the slightly smaller screen from factory, but if you do have the larger screens, same principle. The screen is obviously just bigger, but this is all utilizing the factory system. There's a couple of other options that you have. There's a couple of the Chinese kits that you can buy, which basically involve a lot of modification and cutting in a large hole down here, which means it's non-reversible. These systems are fully reversible, so they can come out. You can either sell that kit or move it to another BMW 1 Series. But overall, it's really nice, interactive, uses factory controls, keeps that stock look. Plus, you can always go back by pressing hold the menu button. Takes you back into here where you've got all of your vehicle information, onboard computer, so you lose none of that sort of stuff. It can go back to factory and go straight into Apple CarPlay or Android Auto whenever you want. So overall, a really, really nice solution to actually integrate into your factory system. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I really hope you've enjoyed it. If you're interested in having this same solution added to your vehicle, go check out the CBS Automotive website, but all of our contact details and everything you need to get in touch with us is in the description below. So make sure you go check that out, and we'll basically either a couple of options. You either come by and see us, we'll spec everything for you, run you through how everything works, then get your quote sorted. Alternatively, if you are based further afield and don't want to make the journey just for the quote, not a problem at all. With stuff like this, we need a couple of things. We need some pictures sent over of the car. One from the back of the car, so we can clearly see your registration number in the back of the vehicle, just to make sure we have the correct model, make and year. Then we need the actual software version that's running inside your BMW system. So that's important, we get a sick picture of that, so you can find that in your vehicle settings. And then just a couple of pictures of your interior. So one of your steering wheel, then also one of your screens, so we can identify screen size. Then any position that you've got in the car with a USB or auxiliary port. So if you ping all that over on pictures to us, we can get the quote sorted a lot quicker, but drop us an email, we'll go through everything that we need on there again, just in case you missed any of that. But thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you soon. Hope to be upgrading your car as well. So thank you very much. We'll see you on the next one.